All right. Sir, is your name Leonard John Colvin?
Yes.
Okay. I know. Mr. Trush, are you able to hear me okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Before we get started, can you tell me whether or not there's been any screening for eligibility for court-appointed counsel for Mr. Colvin, or whether you've been appointed to the case, or whether you're just appearing here for purposes of arraignment?
Yes, so I am appearing.
Yes, so I am appearing for purposes
of arraignment only.
of arraignment only.
Okay.
I did screen.
But
He plans to hire.
he plans to hire counsel.
Okay. All right. So we'll go on the record. This is People versus Leonard John Colvin, case number 22, Crawford County case number 225050. The record should reflect Mr. Colvin's present today by video from the Crawford County Jail. We have Mr. Haven present on behalf of the probation department, and Mr. Trush is here on Mr. Colvin's behalf for the purposes of arraignment today only. Mr. Colvin, you're before the court here today because it's alleged that you have committed 3 technical violations of your probation and 1 non-technical violation. Do you understand why you're before the court today?
Yes.
Yes.
Have you been made aware of what the alleged violations are?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I need to go through a few things with you with regard to your rights. First of all, you do have the right to have a hearing as to whether or not you violated your probation in any of the ways that have been alleged. You also have the right to have a lawyer present at any subsequent proceedings. Mr. Trush is here on your behalf today for the purposes of arraignment. If you are found guilty of the technical violations, Mr. Haven, would this be a first technical violation finding?
It would be, Your Honor.
It would be, Your Honor.
Okay, so if you're found guilty of violating any of the 3 technical violations, the maximum penalty you can face would be up to 15 days in jail. If you're found not guilty of the non-technical violation, that's more serious. That one could subject you to the maximum possible penalty on your underlying charge, which is up to 4 years. Do you understand all of those things that I've just stated to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Trush, have you had it? Well, first of all, I guess, Mr. Colvin, did you want to hire your own attorney, or did you want to see if you can qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
I'll hire
my own counsel.
Okay. Mr. Trush, did you have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Colvin about a plea today?
I did. We would stand.
I did. We would stand.
Okay, so Mr. Colvin, the court is going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf with regard to all the alleged violations, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
In terms, and then the court will set this for a hearing. In terms of bond pending that hearing, Mr. Haven, any recommendations with regard to bond?
Your Honor, I don't believe necessary and low bond.
low bond.
I apologize. I'm getting the
delay.
Oh. Probably up here around your minute.
All right, thank you. Mr. Trush, anything on behalf of Mr. Haven? Or I'm sorry, on behalf of Mr. Colvin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
I would suggest that the court. Mr. Colvin is.
Mr. Colvin is in Northern Michigan.
He's fully employed.
He's fully employed.
He has family in the.
He has family in the area. Father and a sister.
Fairly limited criminal.
Fairly limited criminal history.
Other than the current offense.
In
1 prior felony.
1 prior felony.
And a few traffic.
Misdemeanors.
I don't think there's any history.
On appearance.
outside of the current event.
outside of the current event.
And I expect.
And I expect what the court's going to hear
Is that there's some
is
extenuating.
that there's some extenuating circumstances
surrounding this event,
surrounding this event,
namely his mother,
namely his mother was
and ultimately passed away.
Lastly,
Lastly, I believe he was a few weeks.
weeks
probation,
probation
with no violations.
with no violations.
All right, thank you. Given all the circumstances here, the court finds that personal recognizance bond would be appropriate. The court is going to set that as a PR bond of $500. So Mr. Colvin, you're not going to be required to post any money today to be released. However, if you fail to report and appear at any future hearings, then you'll be responsible for that amount, and you may be subject to further violations. So it's important that you appear for the next hearing. The court is going to send notice of the date and time of that hearing to you. Once you hire a lawyer, you need to make sure that that lawyer files an appearance with the court on this case. And Mr. Colvin, you still need to make sure that you report to your probation agent and Mr. Haven as directed. Mr. Colvin, do you have any questions at all?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Haven, anything else that we need to address today?
Nothing further. I just want to make sure the court has his correct
mailing address.
Can you put that on the record, and then I'll have Mr. Colvin confirm that.
I mean, the MDOC record shows 1391
Maple Park Trail.
If the court has that, then that's where you receive me.
Is that the correct address, Mr. Colvin?
That's my address.
But I
repeat
All right, can you give us that PO box address?
688
miles.
48647. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, thank you. Mr. Haven, I don't see Sarah connected to this hearing. Would you mind just notifying Sarah so that the court address is updated?
I will do that as soon as we
log off.
Okay, thank you. All right, so Mr. Colvin, the court's going to sign that bond paperwork. That'll be forwarded to the jail here shortly. That's all for today. All parties on this case are free to disconnect at this time.